Welcome back. For once, I'm not in a rush, so I'm gonna come around and show y'all the most recent things that I have made. I'll move this stuff out of the way. The plants have overgrown. I have rotated some, so that's why you're seeing it in the frame. We're gonna start with this. Oh, okay, this came out black. Like gold, I mean. I'm gonna have to remake this because I could have sworn it was supposed to be something else. Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm gonna have to dig that out. It's supposed to be a candle holder. I love how this looks though, with the gold on the outside. Yeah, I'm gonna have to dig this out because obviously this got onto there, but this looked good. This looked damn good. And the muscles are so defined. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna do it on my nose since it's only right. She thick. Thick. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. And this can't come out just so. Let me see. Oh. And this go way down in our back. Yeah, this is definitely a different mold because the one I got originally, the first one that I unmolded, it was not that deep. But it's a candle holder, so that works. I have like a space for that. But yeah, she did. The first one was pregnant. Might need to put a little extra, what you call it, here. But I like this. Yeah. Let's see how this one came out. I'm gonna have to see if this is the right size for what I want to use it for. This looks gorge. Yeah. Okay. I want to see how these little bowls came out. Oh, come on now. Oh, this is so cute. Yes. Yeah. I love it. Okay. Yes. Gonna make some more of those because that's cute as shit. Let me see this. Let me send it a little bowl. Oh, this is adorable. Yeah, this is so cute. Yeah. I love it. Okay, yeah. Those two I'm making more of. They're so little and cute. What else would I... Oh, actually, let me take this. Don't fall. Just because I need a little bit more purple on my table, which is why I did that one incense holder that I couldn't bring out because the white had taken over the resin, which it tends to do because that white is so thick. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Here for it. Okay, yes. All right. And last but not least, my last little, let me see how this works. It's a two-parter. So I gotta see. I kind of figured this part wasn't gonna, but oh shoot, that was dumb of me. I just realized I can't pull out the thicker part. Well, I can stick it through. Where's my little pin thingy? Wait. I'm dropping things. Okay, so that was very silly of me to do it this way. Okay, I did the other one the right way. It's because I wanted bigger holes. Yeah, that's not gonna come through like that. Let me see if I can. There we go. Oh, yikes. Of course, material or something. Okay, yeah, I got the hole where I needed it though. I have to do that with the rest of these and make sure these are just, yeah, thin layers on the top. No, I'm gonna have to push it through. Yikes. Yep. Top piece up. Broke off too. I'm gonna end up having to do that to all of them. I did not think this part through because I wanted the holes to be big but not like huge, and I feel like these might have been too small. I did it on this end, but now that I'm thinking about it, I feel like it probably would have worked. I feel like it could have worked with the small ones. I'll probably do more of the small holes. Actually pulling it and it looks like it wants to, it's not gonna shrink out, is it? Oh, okay. Shout out to silicone. I want this to go through the next side though. Because I don't want to tear the other one like I did this one. But come in. Yeah, probably hear my neighbors outside being loud. Okay, all right. So yeah, I just gotta clean up the edges around these holes. But here we have it. It's not supposed to be a grinder. I know it's a grinder mold, but I'm using this as a drainage for something, obviously. Yeah, I figured I would like this one better for it. Oh, that just dropped out, so okay. Yeah, I think I like this better because I can just sit it on top and I got my little holes. Yeah, but if y'all want, you know, a decent sized grinder, I can make it, but it's gonna have to be it doesn't have a catch, so it'll just be in there. This is smooth. I like this better than the other one, the little one that I have, the little mold. I like this. But yeah, this is gonna be for a project for someone. But yeah, that's everything. Come back around. I was feeling very antique gold with these bunches anyways. I really am in love with this. Like, it's so cute. So yeah, gold, antique gold, and then purple. Everything is all connected. It's all connected. But yeah, thank you so much for sitting through this. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.